Here I have YouTube and we will continue YouTube ads today. So first of all, I will open my YouTube. Right, here we are. This is my YouTube and what I am going to do is if you wanna post a YouTube ad, so just go on just a sec. Click on your videos. After this, you have to go on. Uh, okay, just choose the video of which you have to put the ad. Like I'm selecting this video and click on front. Okay. After clicking on this button, first of all, you have to choose a Google ad account. The account you wanna use for your ads, you can go with anyone. And if you do not have a Google account, just click on this button and you will be building a Google account. After that, go and here we are. We have a Google account. Okay. So I'm gonna click on next. Here I have a third Google account. I will click on next. After that, I have three options. First one is audience growth. Audience growth is basically used when you want subscribers. Okay. So you can see over there, it is written get more subscriber and views for additional videos on your channel. Second one is video view. Get more views on your video you are promoting. You will get views on this particular video. And we have the third one, visit website. You can drive viewers to your website from this button. Like you put a link of your website over there and people will look at it. Okay? People will visit your website. I will go with the third one. After that, I'm going to click on next. Here, this is my prefix. It is like HTTP or HTTPS. You can have any of them. Okay. So generally we have HTTP. After that, where I want people to come, I will put my website, Instagram, and I have TechWealth coach page of mine, and I will copy this and I'm gonna paste it here. Okay. So this is the page. Here I have call to action, which button I want to show to the user. Like I said, watch now. This should not be watch now. It should be learn more. Okay, so if you scroll, you can see the button learn more. If I change the button, I said visit site, so it will be visit site. If I said no, I wanna say watch now, so it will be watch now. Okay. After that, I'm gonna click on next. Here I have to mention the locations where I wanna put this ad. Like I said, that this ad should go to Patiala. Okay, same city as mine. Okay. After that, a different city, like I said, Chandigarh. This is a different city. Okay, here we are. After that, different state. Okay, different district, like a city and district was same. After that, different state. I said Gurugram. Okay, not Gurugram. I said Delhi. Okay, it's Delhi. So you can go with New Delhi or whatever you want. After this, different country. For example, I said Tokyo, Japan. Okay, that's a different country, but the same continent. Okay, now I will use different continent. Like I said, Birmingham. Okay, England, different city of a different continent. After this, moving ahead, you have to select. If your ad belongs to European Union politics, this is regarding to European Union political matter, you can go with this. Okay. Otherwise, you can just say no. This doesn't have a I don't know. I don't have a political ad. Moving ahead, you will go with advanced targeting, where you will choose the gender, the age group, 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 34 to 45. You can select any of them that you don't want or you may want. Okay. Like I said, I just want my ad to go with 25 to 34 and 18 to 24. Just this group. Okay. There could be some people of 35 plus. Yeah, I will go with this too. Okay. Here I have to specify the interest of my audience. Like I said, I want to show this video to those people who are interested into like digital marketing or something like that. Hey, what the hell is this, man? I think YouTube is good. Okay. Here we are. Why? Oh, yeah, I got this. Laptop was not on the charger. That's why it was lagging. So I'm gonna put this with the charger. Yeah, here we are. Okay. No, this is not political advanced targeting. I have selected, and this is where I will put the interest of people. Like I said, digital marketing, digital marketing. Okay, now I said sales and marketing. After that, SCM, SO, SCOS, and SCM. After that, I said education. Those who are interested in education, they are my audience. So, banking, no, that's not banking. Business education. This is business education. Business professionals. So, my this ad will go to those people. After that, I will click on next, and then you have to choose your budget. How much you wanna spend on this ad? I said if I will spend 3,500 rupees. Listen carefully. Why YouTube is so special? Like I said, I'm gonna spend 3,500 for uh, till 15th of July. They said, sir, we will give you 18,000 clicks on this ad. Like you will people, 18,000 people will visit on your website. Impression would be more than that. If I say I will spend 500, so I will be getting 2.300 3,000 clicks, and that's too much. If you just pay 500 and you divide that by 2,000, your cost per click will be too less, buddy. So you can see over there, YouTube is very cheap. Not cheap. Oh, we should not
So
call it cheap. That is very affordable. And oh, my link had a problem.
so on YouTube, is it daily that 500, or you pay 500 one time till the 15th of July?
No, this is not a daily payment.
Okay, one time only.
Yeah, one time
Okay.
payment. Okay, after that, click on next, and you can post your ad anywhere. Understood?
Yes.
Don't make payment. Don't even click on any button after this. This is how we promote videos on YouTube. So we are done with this concept, and I'll upload the video. Sagal will Sagal can see this. Okay. And now the next thing we will do tomorrow with Sagal. We were doing a Facebook ad on advanced grounds. So that we will do on
Yes.
tomorrow. Okay. Now
Facebook
what
ads
you have to do
tomorrow.
is create an ad with with the four different topics. Okay. After that, tell me which ad is getting more views.
Okay, creates an ad with four different topics.
Yeah, you don't
Okay.
have to make any payment. YouTube will tell you here that sir, we are giving you this much views, whatever it is. When I clicked on this button, yeah, why? When I clicked on this button, I see that I will get the about 13,000 views. Right? YouTube said me that sir, we will give you this. So I want you to go
Okay.
till this page for different four topics, and then just let me know which type of ad is performing well. Like which ad is asking for the lowest price and giving you the highest number of views at the end. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
But for that, I need to upload videos and then
Yeah.
see which one. Okay.
Aren't you posting it?
Sorry?
Are you posting videos?
I posted that time you were in class.
Okay, so make sure you post 3 to 4 video and put them on ads. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, just go with it.